Cookery Grade 10, Quarter 3. Prepare stocks, sauces and soups, and poultry and game dishes. Our topic is prepare poultry and game dishes. Selecting and purchasing poultry and game. Poultry consumption in the Philippines has increased remarkably in the last decade. This is evident in the popularity of chicken dishes in restaurants all over the country. Poultry refers to several kinds of fowl that are used as foods, and the terms includes chicken, turkey, duck, pigeon, and quail. These are usually domesticated, raised mainly for meat and eggs. Birds such as mites that are hunted for food are games. The following are the classification of poultry and games. Chicken are raised for its meat and eggs. Duck. It is raised for its meat, eggs, and feathers. Turkey are usually raised for its meat. Goose. Usually raised for its meat, eggs, and feathers. Quail. For meat and eggs. Pigeons are raised for its meat. Guinea fowl. It is raised for its meat. Wild duck. It is usually raised for its meat and feather. Pheasants are raised for its meat. Chickens and other poultry may be divided into classes which are essentially of the same physical characteristics associated with age, sex, live weight, and/or breed. First is the broiler or fryer. A broiler or fryer is young chicken, usually 9 to 12 weeks of age, of either sex. It is tender meat with soft, pliable, and smooth textured skin. Next is the roaster. A roaster is usually 5 to 6 months of age. Capon. A capon is a surgically dissected male chicken, usually under 8 months of age. Here is an example of the size of capon, roaster, and fryer or broiler. Stag. A stag is a male chicken usually under 10 months of age with coarse skin with somewhat toughened and darkened flesh. Hen or stew-wing chicken. It is a mature female chicken which is usually more than 10 months of age. It can also be called layer. Cock or rooster. It is a mature male chicken with coarse skin, toughened and darkened meat, and hardened breastbone tip. Jumbo broiler. This is a large chicken about 4 kg dress weight, which are on sale especially during the Christmas holiday. Other poultry. Peking duck. This is a breed of duck that originated from China and is noted for its tender and flavorful meat. Duck or itik. It is available and popular in many towns of Rizal as fried itik. Squab. This is a young immature pigeon of either sex and has extra tender meat. Selecting good quality poultry and game. Live poultry. It has a clear eyes. A young chicken has fine and soft feet. If it's old, the feet are thick and scaly. The bone of the tip of the breast is soft in younger chicken and thick in older one. Small feathers indicate that the chicken is young. Number 2, whole poultry. These are slaughtered birds that had been bled and defeathered. Their head, feet, and viscera are still intact. They are clean, well fleshed. They have moderate fat coverings. They are free from pin feathers and show no cuts, scars, or missing skin. Number 3, dressed poultry. These are slaughtered birds that had been bled, defeathered, and the visceral organs are removed. The skin is smooth and yellow in color. The breast is plump. The thighs are well developed. It has no objectionable odor, and it is heavy and the skin is not watery. Number 4, ready to cook. The dressed birds may be cut up and marinated or seasoned. Number 5, poultry parts. Several pieces of single poultry part are usually packed in one carton, wrapped, and chilled or frozen. The various poultry parts are divided into the following: dark meat, drumsticks, thighs, wings, necks, backs, and rib cage. White meat, breast, giblets, the gizzard, and heart. Nutritional value, components of poultry and game. Like meat, poultry contains high-quality proteins. Chicken, the most consumed among the fowls, has 22.6% protein, 76.3% water, and traces of fat, vitamins, and minerals. Poultry meat consists of dark and white muscles. The dark muscles are found in the parts of the fowl's body which are always used. These are the legs, thigh, wings, neck, and rib cage. These are richer in fat, have more connective tissues, and have higher riboflavin and myoglobin content. Most people prefer the dark meat than white meat, or from the breast, because of its juiciness and flavor. Varieties meats refer to the meat of such organ as the gizzard, the heart, kidneys, and liver. The preparation of poultry for cooking. First is the slaughter and bleeding. It is the preparation of animals for food. Number 2 is scalding. Immerse briefly in boiling water for various purposes, such as to facilitate the removal of skins or feathers. Number 3, defeathering, the removal of feathers. Number 4, evisceration, removing of viscera or internal organs. Number 5, deboning, the removing of bones. The following are the different cuts of poultry. Whole chicken. Whole chicken are marketed either fresh or frozen. Halves. The bird is split from front to back through the backbone and kneel to produce two halves of approximately equal weight. Breast quarters. Halves may be further cut into which include the wing. A breast quarter including portions of the back is all white meat. Split breast. A breast quarter with the wing removed. Split breast without back. A breast quarter with wing and back portion removed. Boneless, skinless breast. Split breast that has been skinned and deboned. 8-piece cut. The whole bird is cut into 2 breast halves with ribs and back portion, 2 wings, 2 thighs with back portion, and 2 drumsticks. The parts may be packaged together and labeled as whole cut-up chicken. These are usually sold without giblets. Whole chicken wing. The whole chicken wing is an all-white meat portion composed of 3 sections: the drummet, the midsection, and the tip. Wing drumettes. The first section between the shoulder and the elbow. Wing midsection with tip. The flat center section and the flipper. Wing midsection. The section between the elbow and the tip, sometimes called the wing, flat, or mid-joint. Whole chicken leg. The whole chicken leg is the drumstick-thigh combination. The whole leg differs from the leg quarter and does not contain a portion of the back. Boneless, skinless leg. Whole chicken leg with skin and bone removed. Thigh. The thigh is the portion of the leg above the knee joint. Boneless, skinless thigh. Thigh with skin and bone removed. Drumstick. Drumsticks include the lower portion of the leg quarter, the portion between the knee joint and the hock. Giblets. It includes heart, liver, and neck. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.